the world stands at the cusp of a new era in warfare. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the battlefield, ushering in an era of autonomous weapons and intelligent algorithms. At the forefront of this paradigm shift is China, a nation determined to leverage AI for strategic advantage. The integration of AI into military technologies is blurring the lines between man and machine. Autonomous drones, capable of independent target identification and engagement, are no longer the stuff of science fiction. Robotic tanks and AI-powered cyber weapons are rapidly moving from research labs to the front lines. This fusion of technology and warfare raises profound ethical and strategic questions that demand global attention. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for unintended consequences. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they also become more unpredictable. A small error in code or a miscalculation by an algorithm could have catastrophic consequences, potentially leading to accidental wars or the escalation of existing conflicts. Can machines be trusted to make life or death decisions on the battlefield? Who is accountable when an AI system malfunctions or causes unintended harm? China's pursuit of AI-powered weaponry is driven by a potent combination of ambition and pragmatism. The Chinese government recognizes the transformative potential of AI in reshaping the balance of power. As a result, it has invested heavily in research and development, aiming to leapfrog traditional military powers like the United States. One of China's primary focuses is developing autonomous weapons systems, particularly drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are equipped with sophisticated AI algorithms that enable them to operate independently, conducting surveillance, identifying targets, and even carrying out strikes without human intervention. The ability to deploy swarms of intelligent drones could overwhelm enemy defenses, disrupt supply lines, and sow chaos on the battlefield. The reduced reliance on human pilots lowers the risk of casualties for China, potentially making it more willing to engage in conflicts. Critics argue that such weapon systems cross a moral red line, eroding the distinction between combatants and civilians and increasing the likelihood of unintended consequences. The battlefields of the future will not be confined to land, sea, or air. Cyberspace has emerged as a critical domain for warfare, and AI is playing an increasingly prominent role in this new arena. China has been particularly active in developing AI-powered cyber weapons, recognizing their potential for disruption and espionage. AI algorithms can be used to develop autonomous malware that can infiltrate enemy networks, steal sensitive data, and disrupt critical infrastructure. These cyber weapons can be deployed with speed and precision, crippling communication systems, financial markets, and even power grids, bringing a nation to its knees without firing a single shot. The interconnected nature of the modern world makes cyber attacks a potent tool for disrupting economies and sowing political instability. The use of AI in cyber warfare also raises ethical concerns. As AI-powered cyber weapons become more sophisticated, the need for international norms and regulations governing their use becomes increasingly urgent. Section 4. The global race for AI dominance. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have sparked a global arms race, with nations vying for technological supremacy in this new domain of warfare. China, the United States, and Russia are locked in a fierce competition, each investing heavily in AI research and development, seeking a decisive edge over their rivals. China's centralized government, vast data resources, and laser focus on AI dominance have allowed it to make significant strides in a short period. The United States, while still a leader in AI research, faces challenges in translating its technological prowess into military applications. Ethical concerns, bureaucratic hurdles, and a more cautious approach to deploying AI in warfare have slowed its progress. Russia, with its strong tradition in mathematics and computer science, is also a significant player in the AI arms race. The country has been developing AI-powered weapon systems, including autonomous drones and underwater vehicles. Russia's willingness to use military force to achieve its geopolitical objectives makes its pursuit of AI weaponry a cause for concern. Section 5. The Ethical Minefield. The increasing use of AI in warfare raises a host of ethical dilemmas that demand careful consideration. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for autonomous weapon systems to make life or death decisions without human oversight. Critics argue that delegating such authority to machines is morally unacceptable. Another ethical concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If training data is flawed or reflects existing prejudices, AI systems could perpetuate and even amplify those biases, leading to discriminatory or unfair outcomes on the battlefield. The lack of transparency in AI development also raises ethical concerns. The international community must establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and use of AI in warfare. Failure to address these ethical challenges could have dire consequences for humanity. Section 6. A looming threat: China's strategic secrecy. China's rapid progress in AI-powered military technologies is a cause for concern, not only because of its potential to disrupt the balance of power, but also because of the secrecy surrounding its development. China's opaque research programs and lack of transparency make it difficult to gauge the true extent of its capabilities, fueling mistrust and suspicion among its rivals. The lack of transparency surrounding China's AI development makes it challenging for the international community to establish effective arms control agreements or foster dialogue on the ethical implications of AI in warfare. This opacity could lead to miscalculations and heighten the risk of unintended escalation. The country's closed-door approach to AI development could allow it to develop game-changing technologies without the knowledge of its rivals, potentially shifting the balance of power in its favor. The international community must urge China to be more transparent about its AI development programs and to engage in meaningful dialogue on the ethical and strategic implications of AI in warfare. Building trust and reducing the risk of miscalculation are essential for maintaining global stability in the age of AI. Section 7. The Future of War, a Call to Action. The rapid advancements in AI and their integration into military technologies present both opportunities and perils. While AI has the potential to revolutionize warfare, making it more precise and less reliant on human combatants, it also raises profound ethical and strategic challenges that cannot be ignored. The international community must act decisively to shape the future of AI in warfare. This requires establishing clear ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI-powered weapons systems, promoting transparency and accountability in AI research, and fostering dialogue among nations to build trust and reduce the risk of unintended consequences. It is essential to ensure that human judgment and control remain at the heart of any military decision-making that involves AI. Machines should augment, not replace, human judgment, and safeguards must be put in place to prevent unintended escalation or the use of AI in ways that violate international law or human rights. The stakes are too high to ignore the transformative potential of AI, but we must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a shared commitment to preventing a future where machines dictate the fate of humanity.